They also have the current gen HP brushless circular saw on sale as well, and that is another $30 to $40 off depending on where you're at in the States, and that is an extremely good deal. They do have another version that's going to be coming out, but there's nothing wrong with that version. If you don't mind getting the gen that's going out, I'd highly recommend picking either one of these tools up if you are in the need for either one. Thanks for watching this quick little video, and if you have any questions or comments about these tools, please leave it down below.